What's up, YouTube? I'm here to show you how to get rid of wind noise. Now with these frameless windows, your seals might not connect all the way. So when you get up to speeds, usually when I'm going 60, I start getting a lot of noise in my car. And all you need to do to fix that is get some tubing. See if I can do it with one hand. You want to get it down here. Feed it in a little bit. And then just gently start pushing it in. Now I've already pre-cut them. Once you get it in that weather strip, it'll create enough pressure on the window. Like I said, I already pre-cut it. And look, no one will ever know the difference.